Alright, I got my package. Pretty epic. Shit, better not something. It is here. It is. My keyboard is here. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And it came with the hell this is. Thanks, but no thanks. No, it's a little bit cracked here, but it's very interesting. Wow. Yo, look at that. That's so epic. It came with this. I believe that's a cleaning thing. So that's all that came in the box. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna do typing ASMR. Okay, that's pretty epic. This come with batteries though. No, it does not, so I have to get batteries. I'm gonna read the manual and I'll get back. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to set this up. First, let me take off this. Oh, it's so shiny. FNC. 1, 2, oh, I see it. Now I need to look at my settings. Yo. Oh my gosh, it works now. Alright, so it has been a few days since I basically ordered the keyboard, and honestly, okay, so basically I really like this keyboard. It's like so cute. Like, do y'all see this? And like also the sound it makes. Hello. I really like the sound and it's good to use, except there are some things that I don't like about it. So the first thing that I don't like about it is that there's like no option to like adjust the brightness for my computer. So to adjust the brightness for my computer, I'm gonna have to go like, you know, the normal like adjusting brightness route. However, this does have like a Windows key, which I really like, so that way I can like do like the Windows space bar and just adjust like the type of keyboard that I want. And other than that, I also don't like the fact that like, I mean, I should have like realized though when I was gonna buy it, but like the keys are like so high up, so it's also the spacing of the keys are different than what I'm used to like on a normal computer. So sometimes I like accidentally press enter when in reality I'm going to be pressing some other key, which is like kind of weird. And like sometimes my wrist accidentally presses an arrow key, so basically text thingy, like it just like moves somewhere else and I'm like, oh frick, now I just lost it. Like I'm still adjusting to this keyboard. I feel like after a week or so, or maybe even a month, I will be able to use it more fluently and have a better understanding of where the keys are. Because right now, for me at least, because I used a Dell PC laptop before, these keys are much more like squished together than a normal keyboard, especially like the letter keys. It's just more difficult to navigate where like the non-letter keys are. Parentheses, commas, colons, semicolons, quotations, brackets, that kind of stuff, like that is more difficult for me to find. But overall, But overall, I really do recommend this keyboard because it does really have a retro theme and vibe to it, and I also think it really matches the vibe of my room. So I kind of don't want to get like carpal tunnel from just typing on this keyboard because it is like very like elevated and you're kind of just like flexing your wrists in the wrong direction a little bit very often. But I kind of like to have it set up like this. I have my computer stand right here, and then I have my keyboard right over here, and it's kind of like set up like under this thing, so there's a slight tilt upward, and that way I can just have like a slant because this does not come with a slant. That's my keyboard review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and that was actually helpful. Overall, I would say I would give this maybe like an 8 or 9 out of 10. Just a few points off because of like the size of the keys and just like a little bit usability, nitpicky things. But overall, I really do like this keyboard. I feel like I definitely value aesthetic purposes more than like actual versatility. But the sound of it is really aesthetic and I just love to hear it and I just want to type on it all day. If you guys want to have a keyboard that's more versatile, maybe you should get like the Magic Keyboard or something else that's just less aesthetic and more for actual usability purposes. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below whatever you want. If you guys like me a lot, you can always check my socials down below. And as always, peace, love, kisses, and I'll see you guys next time.